Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me, D Yang. I'm making an intro now because I don't know if I'm going to be able to make an intro out there because we kind of have to prep, and then yeah, you know how it goes. You just kind of have to like hurry and get out on the lake before a bunch of people start showing up. Yes, when I say a bunch of people, I am going to Madison. I'm going to Monona Bay. We're just gonna have some fun time catching some panfish. I'm actually going out with two good friends of mine. I'm really excited. It's been a while since I've been out with them, so I decided to just, go out, have fun, and just catch some panfish out on Madison, Monona Bay. This is their first time this year, but this is like my fourth or fifth time, which is always fun because Monona Bay is always fun. There's always fish there, and you just never know what you're gonna catch. So with that being said, if you guys haven't yet hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys out in the water. So they're almost here, so I gotta hurry. Peace. Alright boys, we're back out Monona Bay. Feels so good to be out. I gotta get my life together here. Got him. Oh, it's a tanker. First drop. Okay, just came. He'll do. Got him. Oh, it's another giant. Huh? Yeah, dude. Finally. Got him. Now I got one. Huh? Look, my screen is filled right now. Got one. Oh, this one might be decent. Oh, this is a decent one. Look. Yeah. Huh? Not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. Look at mine. Now look. But we need bigger. We need bigger fish. Dang, I just caught two big ones. I wasn't even recording. So you get another one. I'm actually using a lighter tungsten jig head. That way it can flutter down and draw the attention of the school here. I just want the mean aggressive ones to fly up and grab it. Woo, this wind, bro. There you go. Dude, it's another tanker. Man, I was wrong, dude. This spot loaded. We'll let this one go. It's a little small. Nah, screw it. We'll just keep it. Now we'll let that one go. I kind of don't want to keep this one. So it's nice, but it's not big. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh, dude. Oh my God, bro. Look. Big and holy smoke. Those are some cankers right there. Got him. That's a big one. Oh, dude. Oh, down. Huh? You have to downsize. Like downsize to like a small jig, bro. Check this out. Sheesh. Come on, we need another big gill. They're still suspended. It's crazy. God. Oh, dude, fake it. Oh my God, what is this? Sheesh, what a mess. Go back down. Just kidding. It wasn't even that big, but he fought hard. Yeah, there they are. God, banged out. Oh, there's a big one. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh. Me and Dow back to back. Dow, you got one? Dude, look at mine. Pull him out, bro. What you got? What you got? Hey, double up, my boy. Spank, dude. That's what I'm talking about right there. So me and Dow, we figured it out. We downsized our jig head and just let it flutter down and it'll draw the attention. They'll just come out and just smack it. These are all decent sized gills too. As good as it get, you know. It's Madison for you. Nice fish. You're just gonna stare at it? Dang, bro! We might as well just watch Dow fish, man. Dude, straight murdering it. I saw that, dude. Oh my dude, fishing in a winter storm, alright. Jeez, holy smoke. That's windy as hell. Maybe you should have brought the shanty. I'm about to get blown away. Oh my gosh. You feel that now? This is where all the fish is at. That's a good fish. Oh my gosh, this wind, bro. Yeah, I'm good, bro. It's the last fish. Oh, what is this? Yeah, it ain't even worth it. Let's go, bro. Woo! I'm good. So we just made it back home and I got the bluegill sitting right here in the sink. I only kept 3. I caught 5, but I gave the 2 to my other buddies. I don't eat fish like that anyways. I do a lot of selective harvesting, so I don't keep everything that I catch. These are just average, you know, maybe 7, almost 8s. So they're pretty big. If there's a comparison, here's a giant scissor. So that's what they look like. Tasty little fish here from Madison. Alright, so as you guys know from my previous videos of how I do catch and cook, nothing extraordinary. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the head off and show you guys how it's done. I got my fish and I got my sea salt. You guys already know I like to soak it in sea salt for like 10 to 15 minutes, get all that yucky junk out. Just flush it with cold water. Just dump the sea salt in there. Voila! Just let it sit. Nice in a nice cold bath, and all that yucky stuff go to the top. Rinse it all out, and your fish will be clean as bleach. I mean, fillet fish, yeah, something like that. I'm gonna use this bleach all-purpose flour here, Here are my fillets, nice and dry now. Clean, fresh, look at that. Beautiful fillet. Wow, looks so good. So yeah, so we're just gonna let them chill here. We're gonna flour it up. I'm gonna throw it in this small little oil pot. I didn't want to use my big pot. I'm just gonna like fry. I could probably fit 3 in here. So yeah, stay tuned. We're just gonna cook it. Now normally I will soak my fillet in some kind of sauce or some kind of like coating, like egg, buttermilk, hot chicken wing sauce, whatever you guys want to call it. But today I kind of just want to go plain and normal, just a regular lightly seasoned salt and just the flour itself, because I don't know, just didn't want to soak it. Just been eating it with all the other sauce that I think I'd just do it this way. Alright, so let's see if it's ready. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same with all the other ones, so I'm not gonna like record it, but that's what I'm gonna do. Deep fry it, take it out once it starts floating. Hey guys, so here it is. Nice, golden, it's still hot, but golden bluegill meat there. Delicious. Wow, look at that. But anyways, I'm not here to say you can go ahead and eat as much of these fish as you want from Monona Bay. It does say here on the Wisconsin DNR page here. So recently they posted up this whole Wisconsin Department of Health Services, right? And they're talking about how these fish are contaminated with PFOS exposure, including mercury and PCBs. Yeah, that's something like that, some scientific term. If you want to look more into it, I can leave the link down below. Basically, they have a chart here saying, I'll leave the chart like right now so you can look at it. So basically what it says in the chart here is that Lake Monona, you can only, for bluegills, right? That's what it says right here, bluegills, all sizes, up to 1 meal per week. And I eat it once a month, okay? I don't eat fish like that, so don't think that I'm out here catching all these fishes and eating fish non-stop. That's not me. I don't eat fish that much. There's other species here too. You can go ahead and look at the link down below. I'll provide all that. And we're gonna give this fish a try. So let's see what PFOS, and PCB, and mercury tastes like, alright? Where should I start from? Mercury tastes so good. I'm being sarcastic. No, it's actually really good, guys. Wow, look at that. Just pure white, crunchy. It's like pure. Ooh, it's still hot. Sorry, everything's all floured up, but you hear that? Nice and crunchy, but this is delicious. That's so good. I had a long day. Bro, 1 meal per week. Eat at your own risk. Do your research. Look at the link down below. I'll see you guys on the water.